It's Mini-Me Day, it's Mini-Me Day. My husband just called, he's coming home early today. I told him no, he can't come home. He's like, what do you want me to do? Wreck the car on the way home? It's like, I guess not. All right, so usually I do my best. I don't watch any of Maniology stuff. I don't look on Instagram. I try my best not to see anything that's been posted about the Maniology subscription box. That's what this is. If you don't know already, first time you're joining me, I always do a giveaway the first of the month. I mean, honestly, most of my videos are giveaways, but this one I buy two. I purchase them. They don't give them to me. So if you use Guyleen325, I really appreciate it. I get a little bit of a commission and you get 10% off. Win-win. I use that money and I purchase 2 boxes so that I can give one of them away. And honestly, this one, I got it last week, the end of last week, and I just didn't have time to get to it. I did go ahead and open it up because I just needed to know. I just had to. I don't know how I feel about this box, you guys. I'm sorry. Well, let's take a look at it. It's a Christmas. I just had, I don't know what my expectations were. And I've got a feeling that I'm not going to be the only one that has some feels about this box. Okay, I'll shut up. But here is the first card, and they give you 2 cards. This one kind of tells everything that's in it. This is like a tropical Christmas, so you can go ahead and read this. I'm not going to read it all. The polishes this month are Shake a Santa, and it's a red stamping polish, and large metallic sand glitters for nails that sparkle. Oh, okay. Tula Malie. It's a green with fine metallic pigments. Okay, so I went ahead and painted my nails white, and I used Frozen. I love this white. It's like a frosty, beautiful white. The extra this month, you get 2 plates, 2 polishes, and an extra. More powder. I'm really just so over getting powder in these boxes because I have a drawer full, but not everyone. Just shut up, Guyleen, because not everyone has all these powders. Okay, so that is the extra. The 2 plates are exclusive to this box. I believe you have till the 18th or the 20th. If you join Maniology's monthly subscription box, you are going to get this kit. But you can for sure email them. They are super responsive, super helpful, always. And ask them if you'll get this box, if you like this box. So we are going to take a look at these plates, and then I'm going to swatch these 2 polishes. There are the polishes. So you can have a look, see if I can get it pretty close without the glare. It is a beautiful day of about 65 degrees in southern Illinois right now, so I do have my window open. So you're going to hear the farm trucks driving by. Stand between mistletoes. There are some really cute images on here. Don't get me wrong. I just don't know. Oh, those are cute. Okay. All right. I need to change my attitude because plenty of people go to tropical places for Christmas and need some tropical Christmas nails. And there's so many people that live in tropical places that want tropical nails at Christmas. I used to live in Florida. I hated it there. I lived there for 9 years. I don't like hot. Oh, I love the little sandcastle snow globe. That's adorable. Okay. See, I always change my mind. I always end up, I mean, they're still not exactly what I'd like. Oh, that's cute. Like little lights. Okay. I think I'm coming up with some ideas. Is that a blimp? Is that, oh, that's a surfboard. Like, is that a blimp? They have blimps as a surfboard. Santa in the sunglasses. Santa with dolphins. That's cute. Oh, little coconut heads. Okay. Oh, I really like that too. All right, I think I have some ideas for a Manny, and I'm glad I did the white. Here is the Manny that they did. And then on the back, it shows you the process they went to get that look. This is B411. It seems like they've skipped some numbers, so there's no telling what's coming. This is beautiful. Hopefully it is not too glittery that it'll stamp, because sometimes this glittery stuff really does not want to pick up very well. That looks pretty good. It does change color over the black. It looks kind of pink on the black. Ugh. And it looks pretty true to color over the white. The only problem with stamping over dark colors with this glittery stuff is it doesn't want to show like really nice detail. But over the white, it looks really nice. I mean, it looks good over the black too. I'm going to give this an A-, since it does change color. But I think this will be so pretty painted on your nails. Oh, wow. What is that? I'm guessing the brush got eaten. Oh, no. Oh, there's a bunch of brush hairs in there. So the brush is totally wasted. It's all over the inside of the cap. They are really nice about if something happens like this. I mean, I don't know that it's going to be a big deal for me, but we'll see if there's any more in there. I'm going to trim that down real quick. I'm going to take a pair of scissors and chop off all that sticking out. And hopefully there's not a bunch floating around inside. I don't see anything. Nope, that seems to be it. That's not bad. Wasn't as big a deal as I thought it was going to be. Oh, no, there's hairs in there. That is absolutely gorgeous over black. There is not any color change difference between over white or black. As you can see on this one, it looks the same over both colors. So the background color is not changing the base color of the stamping polish. I love it. A+++ for the green. I mean, the red is gorgeous too. Sparkling palms. This is going to be gorgeous, I know. Ugh. Ooh. All right, there's been a lot of things happening since I started filming till now. It's actually been 2 days. But let's quickly show you how to do this powder to put it on your nail. It's absolutely beautiful. Rub it into a stamper that is really cloudy. You know, it's an old stamper, nothing new. You do want to make sure like the loose stuff is off. This polish is still a little tacky. The green that came with the box. This, I have decided, is much better over dark colors than it is white. So I decided I'm just going to put this sparkly, it's so gorgeous, powder over here. So I jinxed my husband saying that I'm just going to stamp it on here. I jinxed my husband telling him not to come home because just a few minutes after that, I wasn't done filming. He called, hey, you got to come get me. I had to take my truck to the service department, to the mechanic. And I'm like, you're kidding. Long story short, it was going to be $4,500 to drop a new transmission in it. His vehicle was not worth $4,500. Look how gorgeous that is. Okay, pause the story. When you get to this point, you have to use a water base top coat on here just to make sure that your glitter stays really pretty. So I'm going to use Maniology Smudge Free. You will need to top that with a quick dry top coat when that dries, but a water base is why this doesn't smear. It's a water base, but it's not a final top coat, in my opinion. You know, just because I say it doesn't mean it's true. Well, maybe it does. Anyway, so we had been car shopping, and I bought him a new truck. Not a new truck. We can't afford a new truck, but, you know, new to us. So my weekend has gone, and then Alex came home, and it's been a whirlwind weekend. So in the meantime, I broke a nail. I only had peel-off base coat on, so half of my nails were peeled off. Okay, this red, I really love it. It is beautiful, but I don't like it for stamping because it's too sparkly, and it leaves glitter all over the plate, and it doesn't make for a clean, crisp stamp. I mean, I love it. I think it's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. And this green does not look great over white. So for the green, I'm going to use Poison. That green, this really did look good over black, so it's definitely going to have its uses. Okay, we're just going to do some straight up stamping. This nail I just stamped with the Poison. Kind of a tropical. This plate, I think I could use it in the summer too. Maybe not. There's hollies on there. And I just wanted to put a couple of little red accents, and I'm using the red from the box. Shaka Santa or Shaka Santa. Looks cute. And then with the rest of the image that I had pulled, I went ahead and reverse stamped, which I just colored in the spots and a couple of flowers, so it just looked kind of the opposite of the other nail. I don't know. Okay, you guys, this is a giveaway video, as always. Go ahead and put enemy down below if you are interested in this box, and if you are in the United States. I'm sorry I can't really afford any more international giveaways right now, but I promise to do another one for Christmas, okay? And of course we can't have a Hawaiian Christmas without a pineapple, right? I think they turned out really cute. I absolutely do love this powder. And I always say this. I'm always like, oh, powder. But I have so much of it, and I do love it. Why don't I use it more? Because it's gorgeous. I did quick dry top coat all of these with Glisten and Glow. And here coming up, enjoy a little bit of video. I took my grandson to Castle Park, and just a little tiny clip of my husband enjoying his Jeep. Thanks, you guys. Bye. Sorry it's so late. All right, a little history tour here. I'll show you the sign soon, but this is Castle Park. This was made by a family when they lost their son. He loved castles and dragons, so they made Castle Park in his memory. And I haven't been here in years. Lucas is super excited. What? We should. Yes. Hold on, let me put my sweater on, okay?
Take a picture of Ryan.
I am.
That one.
And that one. And that one. There's all kinds of... Uh-oh, I've already lost the kid. Tunnels. There he is. And scariness. It's so cool. Don't lose games. Oh, here's a big bell to ring. I've already lost you. What? Where are you? There you are. I'm right here, but all I know is Gims is too old for this crap. Hold on. Oh my gosh. This is like...
Come on.
An...
Pull it up.
Okay.
Go down.
What? I'm right here. Oh, look at the big dragon up there. Look at him on top of that.
The two dragons.
Yeah. Oh, it's a three-headed dragon.
Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that's a big, huge dragon. I think this is new. I don't remember this. Oh, here it is. I need to bring my money back over here and make a donation. Here, this park honors the memory of the great son, brother, and friend of many, Jeremy Boo Rockman.
Yes. Yes.
Okay. Oh my goodness, that is the biggest dragon ever. Like all the trees have like fairies hanging in them, and look at those statues. Those are cool. And there is a water feature, but it's not on right now. Wow. What? Let's sneak up on him. Yes, sneak up on him. Aww. What is it? Is it a sleeping dragon? Oh my goodness. Here's a place to climb up over here. Right here. See, look, you can climb right there. Can you climb up on there? You may not be quite big enough to climb up on him yet. Don't touch it because you just washed it.
That's right.